Traveled roads I never should have been in. Every sign I pass still knows my name. Every sunrise asks me just the same. How much farther can this silence run? How much longer can I outrun the thoughts inside? The quiet voice beyond the wheel calling me towards something real, something real. Maybe losing my way wasn't losing myself. Maybe this empty horizon is asking for something else. I can still turn around before the daylight fades, before these worn-out footsteps disappear without a trace. I can still choose the road that my heart remembers now. The world can keep on spinning, I'll be the one who turns around. Every mountain looked impossible, every doorway looked unwalkable. Funny how the smallest change of course can become the greatest act of force. Not because the past disappears will it give me back the years, but something in me knows a way, even after yesterday. Maybe all these miles were never meant to be home. Maybe the road behind me is the road that leads me home. I can still turn around before the daylight fades, before these worn-out footsteps disappear without a trace. I can still choose the road that my broken heart remembers now. The world can keep on spinning, I'll be the one who turns around. No thunder in the distance, no applause beneath the sky. Only one quiet decision to stop before I lose my life. No promise that they'll understand me, no guarantee of open doors.